Welcome to a brand new case of Judge Judy. Today, we've got a runaway truck, a furious boss, and missing paychecks. Things are about to heat up in the courtroom. Was the driver really at fault, or did his boss unfairly dock his pay? Judge Judy is here to get to the bottom of it. If you enjoy these case reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting courtroom drama. Now, let's dive into the case and see what really happened. Announcer. A trucker took a rest. Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. I pulled the trailer brake, walked inside. Announcer. But his truck was on a roll. Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. I looked outside and I said, "What is that truck driver doing?" I looked again, and it was my own truck, proceeding down the hill. Judge Judy. There was an accident that occurred. Announcer. Then his boss got even. Judge Judy. Tell me how much money he kept out of your paycheck. Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. Around $2,000. Judge Judy. Then you quit. Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. Because he kind of strong-armed me. Courtroom proceedings. Judge Judy. Mr. Taylor, you were employed by the defendant to drive a truck that he owns? Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. Yes. Judge Judy. How long were you employed by him? Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. He promised me about 3 months. Defendant, Mr. B. He wasn't an actual employee, though. He's a subcontractor. Judge Judy. Well, I don't care what you want to call it to protect your business. Do you understand? Defendant, Mr. B. Judge Judy. Good. As long as we understand each other. Judge Judy. Now, what kind of truck did you drive? Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. A flatbed, 48-foot trailer. Defendant, Mr. B. That's not a truck. That's a trailer. Judge Judy. If you interrupt him again, I'm just going to rule in his favor, dismiss your counterclaim, and then we'll be finished. Defendant, Mr. B. Okay. Judge Judy. Do you understand? Defendant, Mr. B. Yeah. Judge Judy. Good. Judge Judy. How long have you been driving trucks? Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. About 25 years. Judge Judy. Was this the first time that you worked for the defendant? Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. Yes. Judge Judy. Now, there was an accident while you were in possession of the truck. Tell me what happened. Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. I picked up a load of steel pipe. While driving, I heard a loud sound, like a bomb going off. I believe the airbag on the trailer blew out. I called Rich and informed him. He told me to let the mechanic know when I got back. Judge Judy. Do you know the mechanic's name? Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. No. Judge Judy. Mr. B, what's the name of your mechanic? Defendant, Mr. B. Joe. Judge Judy. Does Joe still work for you? Defendant, Mr. B. Yes. Judge Judy. What's his number? Defendant hesitates. Judge Judy orders Bird to supervise while he retrieves the number. Judge Judy dials the number and speaks to the mechanic. Judge Judy. So, Joe, you're saying that you fixed the problem, and there was nothing wrong with the brakes? Hangs up phone. Judge Judy. The person who answered wasn't Joe, but he confirmed that he spoke with you, Mr. B. So either you or he got confused. Defendant, Mr. B. Maybe he thought you were a bill collector. Judge Judy. This isn't an audition. You're not getting a show. Audience chuckles. The accident. Judge Judy. Now, tell me about the accident. Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. I pulled the trailer brake, went inside for a break. When I came back out, I saw my truck rolling down a hill. I ran after it, jumped in, and applied the brakes just in time to stop it from doing more damage. Unfortunately, it hit a car and a truck. Judge Judy. And after the accident, Mr. B deducted money from your paychecks? Plaintiff, Mr. Taylor. Yes, around $2,000. Judge Judy. Mr. B, how much money did you deduct? Defendant, Mr. B. $2,374.34. Judge Judy. Why didn't you submit the claim to your insurance company? Defendant, Mr. B. If I turn in every claim, I'll be out of business. Judge Judy. That's what insurance is for. Unless you can prove that he intentionally damaged your truck, this was negligence, and you should have used your insurance. Defendant, Mr. B. We discussed this in the beginning. Judge Judy. I'm speaking. You owe him $2,374. Case dismissed. Judge Judy bangs gavel. Case closed.